Mercutio. It's just about noon and the day is hot and calculus abroad. I'd rather go in than start a fight with them.
Benvolio, when I see a rival, I must challenge them.
Not me, right?
No, you're the worst in the West. You're like a snake in a barrel. You look in, you're sure to be dead. You get into fights for your dignity, or even for those reasons.
Aye, by my hat, here comes Tybalt.
By my boot, I don't care.
Howdy, partner. Mind if I have a word?
What about?
I want to talk to Romeo.
You can say to Romeo, you can say to us.
Yeah, never mind. Here comes my boy now.
What be the problem?
I'd like to have a word with you.
It best not be bad.
I regret to inform you, but you're an outlaw now. Duel me.
No, I cannot, for that you are my friend.
Oh, you fool, draw.
Why are you against me? You don't have to side with Romeo.
You might be the deadest shot in all town, but I have to defend Romeo's honor and mine.
So be it.
Let's duel. 1, 2, 3, draw.
Stop! Bring your body down! And so be it. There will be consequences for the step.
I am hurt. A snake in all your boots. I'm done for.
Wait, you hurt?
No, 'tis but a flesh wound, but get me a doctor.
I hurt that much.
No, it is not as deep as a well, or as wide as a saloon door. Ask to see me tomorrow and you will find me in my grave. I'm done for. It is my time to ride off into the sunset, extremely majestically, on a horse that is black with white polka dots. Very nice horse. His name will be Charlie. A snake, a lizard, and a fox to bite all of you fools.
I thought it was for the best.
Help me, Benvolio, or I shall pass. I will 100 snakes in all your boots. They have made quick work of me. And smooth, too.
This Westerner, the sheriff, near partner, my very friend, he got hurt on my behalf. My reputation down the drain because of Tybalt. Oh, what a day. My cousin slain. Oh, Juliet, your beauty has made me weak, and my overall temper softened.
Oh, Romeo, brave Mercutio is dead, galloping into the beautiful sunset.
Oh, what a terrible day in the West.
Here comes Tybalt.
Alive in victory, Mercutio dead, a kind boy and a venom-filled man. Take back the title outlaw, or else one of us will join Mercutio.
You dang boy, you're the worst shot around. Duel me.
This will determine that.
Romeo, you have to leave. The citizens are coming out, and if they find Tybalt dead, it's not going to be good. And the sheriff is bound to kill you if he finds you.
I'm a fool!
Run!
Go!
Oh, my bad. Alright.
Where'd he go? Where's Tybalt?
There he lies.
I'm charging you on account of the sheriff.
There we go, we're done.
Benvolio, who started this duel?
Sheriff, I can tell you anything, but two things that you need to know is that Romeo shot Tybalt, and that Mercutio, my accomplice and my partner, is dead.
Sheriff, for Tybalt, my nephew, he's dead. For blood of ours, shed blood of Montague.
Tybalt here shot by the gunner Romeo. Romeo planned not to fight, but the fiery Tybalt disagreed. Even though Romeo tried his hardest, he couldn't make a safe deal with Tybalt. As Romeo lifts the barrel of his gun at Tybalt, he gives Tybalt the warm breath of death at which Mercutio breathed. Tybalt once dodged a bullet shot for him. His agile ways gave him some time to dodge death. But when he came back for Romeo, the second shot filled with redemption was sure not to miss. Then Romeo ran to become an outlaw of the land. Let the truth to surface, or let Benvolio die.
Sheriff, you cannot trust Benvolio's judgment. He is an accomplice of the Montagues. His judgment is clouded. He cannot be trusted.
And for this offense, we have to exile him at once. I do have interest in what you all have to say, but my wits are at their end. I will charge you with a strong fine. I will not listen to your pleading of excuses. When Romeo is found, that hour will be his last. This brawl left my kin bleeding, and we need to make sure murderers get their punishment.
Restart that. Romeo have to run.
Adam!
I'm gonna run it. Where is Tibble?
You're like, you didn't get me in the shot walking away, right? Alright, it's done, Peter. Peter, we're done.